Today is Friday, 30th December 2022, about 4 p.m. This is a beautiful roadside garden of the same plant, which makes it very striking and beautiful. This is Chinatown Point, and on the other side as well, you can see not so lush, same plant again, and whoever plants this is really smart. And these are the hanging gardens of your building. You can see this is really a beautiful place. I mean the garden. On the other side, there's a mixture of plants. Not so beautiful and not so vibrant. See the plants here, not so pink or reddish, but still this is good. Here and there some foreigners, backpackers, independent ladies walking freely. As I start now, have a happy new year. Tomorrow is 31st December 2022. Now it's 4 o'clock, Friday, December 30th, 2021. I'll stop now.